Hello, good morning. Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to fry fish. And make the skin crispy. This one we use sea beams and the meat is soft and very simple, and the ingredient, we don't need the ingredient anything, only salt, that's it, and cooking oil. And the size of sea beam we use today about 1 kilo. This one, the fish we have cleaned the fish already, and the scale take it out, right? And then we just the most important is we really dry the skin. We use the kitchen towel to dry the skin, really dry. You can see we absorb the water. You can use any fish, not necessarily to use the sea beam. Okay, after the fish dry, yeah, we cut like this. Cut this one, and because they're easy to cook. Okay, and then we use a little bit of salt. Yeah, put all over the whole body of the fish. Not too much, if not become very salty. Okay, and then we leave for a while. Now we prepare the cooking oil. Okay, we warm the cooking oil first. The cooking oil we put a little bit above of the fish when we frying. Yeah,
I want to try that milk palm nut, that one that he used.
Oh, palm oil.
That was very nice.
Okay, you think this one, yeah. Okay, we warm cooking oil. The heat just medium heat, not very high, not very low. Or wait until the oil hot, not very hot. Yeah, we leave about a few minutes, then we put the fish in the pan. Okay. Okay, now the oil getting hot. You can see the bubble come out from here a little bit. Don't have to wait until too hot. Right, now we start to put in the oil. Be careful, yeah. Just slowly. Just leave it there, don't have to turn, yeah. It take about 10 to 15 minutes because this way it quite fat. But when we turn the other side, it take longer. Yeah, if this side take 10 or 15 minutes, the other side take about 7 minutes. Okay, now because I just checked, now we can turn this to the other side. Yeah. Okay. It's Yeah, look like a golden brown. Yeah, this one is take shorter, maybe only 5 minutes. You can look a little bit more.
Lift it up again.
Yeah, you can check like this and then put a little bit more. Yeah, all together about 20 minutes. Okay, now you can check both sides. This look nice. Yes, how it look like. Yeah, you can have with the prig nam pla or seafood sauce. You can check from the previous video. We have shown how to make prig nam pla and seafood sauce. Okay.
Hi, so we're gonna try this fish. It looks amazing. Yeah, so we've got prig nam pla, which is your Chilean fish sauce, and then we have the seafood sauce, and yeah, we'll have both of those up here, links to those, so you can see the recipes for those. So I'm going to just take a bit of this fish. Excuse fingers. Oh wow, look at that. Ooh. You can get a big chunk. Oh, that's so good. I don't remember having sea bream before actually. It's a very white meat fish. Let's try the prig nam pla. Ah, it's good. Spicy. This is a great way that if you're having a dinner, or you know, have got some guests over for dinner, and you're doing a few dishes, this is an easy dish to make. To flesh out the dishes, and it's pretty easy. And you know, if you arrange it on a plate with some garnishes and that, you know, middle of the table, it really does look impressive. So it's a thumbs up from me. Like I said, just a really easy dish. If you're doing a curry, got friends coming over, curry, a vegetable side, rice, maybe even a soup as well. And then this fish. This fish is just so easy to do. You can cook it while you're doing other things in the kitchen. So yeah, give that a go. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And yeah, keep it coming. We're coming up to 19,000, so it's going nicely. So thanks for your support as always, and we'll see you next time. Take care now. Bye.